You know, looking in the viewfinder, these eyebrows without any makeup on, they look like two caterpillar bushes lying on my face. Anyway, hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. I don't know about you guys, but we are having a rough start to summer, and sometimes the way I get through that is I just do a little pick-me-up in makeup. And today is no exception. It is very warm and humid, finally, but it's looking like we are going to start having a thunderstorm at any moment. So you may hear it with me. But anyway, it was perfect timing because Sephora did contact me and wanted to partner for just a fun summer video. And I had already placed an order to Sephora. So I thought, well, when my order comes in, I will go ahead and do a quick summer chit-chatty, get ready with me video. So I'm sure that most of you are signed up for the Sephora Beauty Insider. You get a lot of perks when you do it. I'll put the link below so you can go read up on it. It's free, it's easy to sign up for, and why not earn points when you shop? All right, so all that will be linked below for you so you can go take a look. So let's get on to our Sephora wishing summer was here, get ready with me chit chat. Okay, so first I'm going to put the Becca Skin Love Brighten and Prime on. It is just it's a thicker consistency. I do like this. I've had this for a little while. I'm just gonna go over the whole face with it. Oh, I forgot my eyebrows are on. Well, okay, I got a little crazy. It took a little bit of my eyebrows off. So we have the Becca Blur Primer on. I really like this one. It does a good job on my pores also. I want to stay with a lightweight look today, so I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, and the color that I'm wearing is Sand. I like to give this a really good shake before I use it. And I'm going to go ahead, just put some of it on my hand, the back of my hand. I'm going to just place it on my skin. I've been using this for years, especially in the summer. Did you hear that, summer? I've been using this in the summer, so anytime you want to show up, it's okay with me. All right, so I'm going to go in with my Sephora 94, and I'm just going to do a nice quick sweep of this. I really do like this tinted moisturizer. I think I've probably been using this for over 10 years. And it's really nice in the summer, but it just gives you a really nice finish. Evens your skin tone out without packing on any layers. In the summer, especially when it gets warm, it's just really hard to wear a lot of foundation as we age. Okay, I'm going to go right up underneath my eyes with this. And you just get a really nice finish with that. Again, that's the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in Sand. Gonna go in with just a little bit of the Fenty concealer. And when I say little bit, I mean just to brighten this area up. I'm not putting a whole lot of this on. And I'm just going to tap that in just to camouflage slightly my darkness. I don't want to put too much concealer on with a tinted moisturizer because it'll just overpower it. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Urban Decay, and this is the Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Primer. I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my fingertip and apply it to my eyelids. And that's enough for both eyes. Okay, so eye primer is on, and let's go ahead and open this up. Now, this is the first thing I got. This is the Sephora Favorite Sun-Kissed Glow Bronze and Glow Essentials. And since we're waiting for summer, we want to glow and we want to be bronzed. I like to try little kits like this. It gives you the opportunity to try things that you normally wouldn't buy, and there are quite a few things in here that I don't already own. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have. Comes in a really nice yellow bag, and then this can go right in your beach bag. Put your sunscreen in there, anything you need, eye drops for contacts. And the first thing I pull out is Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Vanilla Quartz. And then we have the Fenty Shady Biz Sun Stalker. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that's pretty nice. We'll probably give that a try. Not bad. That's really cute. I love the little tiny things. The Laura Mercier Translucent glow powder. So this has glow. I don't own the glow. I have the Laura Mercier translucent, as you know. And there's a lot of glowing products in here. This is Diamond Glow Powder. And this one is by Artiste Couture. And this is Conceited. And we have a Marc Jacobs Coconut Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. We got lots of things to glow. Yes, we do. And then we have these, the Charlotte Tilbury. This is one of her Champagne Diamond for Blue Eyes. Well, I have brown eyes, so we'll just pretend. And then we have by Sephora, the Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel. And then there is a full size of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Glass eyeshadow in Sweet Life. All right, so first I think I'll go in with this Marc Jacobs, and we're just going to put a little pump of this on my hand. And it is a flesh tone. And I'm gonna go ahead and do some highlighting before I do the powder, because this is a cream. So I wanna I might end up using them all. We'll just put a little bit of this. I'm just gonna do a tiny bit here on the bridge. We'll glow the forehead, we'll glow above the lips, and we'll glow the chin. And then I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender damp, and we'll highlight those areas. It's very pretty. As you can see, it has a beautiful glow. It doesn't have a whole lot of glitter to it, which is really nice. Just gives you that perfect glow for summer. I've got a little hair here. That is the Coconut Glow. That's very pretty, and it doesn't have a lot of glitter to it, so it's great for us aging women. All right, let's move on and see what else we have. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a little bit of the powder, and I'm just going to set around. After putting the powder on, you can see that this primer still glows through, so that's really pretty. Okay, I also bought this Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on while we are doing our face. Go ahead. Oh, it feels really nice. Really nice. It tastes good too. We like. And again, this is in the color Hint Hint. So it really doesn't have much color. Very nice. I purposely did not put on my La Mer lip balm because I knew I had ordered a balm. Okay, so that feels really great. All right, so let's move on to the Fenty bronzer, and this is in Shady Biz. I'm gonna go in with a fan brush from Sephora, and I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of this, and we'll start bronzing up the skin. Oh, that's beautiful. That's really pretty, very pretty. Again, that's Shady Biz, the color. Really pretty. Yeah, I like that. I just wanted you to see this before I do the other side. It is really pretty. Again, that is the Fenty, and it comes in this little set, or you can buy the full size at Sephora. Really, really nice. That is really beautiful. I did go down my neck slightly with it. I really like the Fenty bronzer. I decided I'm gonna stay with the Fenty, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on a blending brush, and I'm gonna use this to contour my eye area. And I'm just going to stay right in my crease and build that up. I'm not really taking any of this on my lid. And this is just to give my eyes a little bit of contour because I'm really not going to go in with an eyeshadow. See, and you just give yourself a little bit of definition. This is really a nice shade even for this. And I'm using the Sephora 38. It's a pro blending. And I'm just going to build that up right here in the crease. Nice. I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, so there we have just bronzer on as eyeshadow, just to give a little bit of definition. Let me show you what these other items look like. I'm not going to put them, oh, this is beautiful. That is really gorgeous. This is really gorgeous. I might put a little bit of this on my lid. Okay, so I'm just going to take it on my finger, and we are just going to tap it right in the center and along the lower lid lash. You don't want to put too much of this on. Now I got a little crazy over here, so I'm going to take my sponge. That's what it looks like. We'll just put a little bit on the other side. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the lid. It is very pretty, but I will say proceed with caution if you are an aging woman, because if we put too much of it on, you will accentuate wrinkles. So I'm just going to take that same brush and I'm just going to soften that down slightly. And I'm going to take the powder brush and go up underneath and just clean up anything that may have fallen. So I'm going to take this Artiste Couture because I've never used anything from this line. I have no idea what this is going to look like on my aging face. So we're just going to go ahead and play. It is, it's a pretty color. So let me just, I'm going to get my little mirror here and I'm going to put it on there because it's too small to get the brush inside. Okay, so I've taken just a small amount of this Artiste Couture and I've put it on my little glass plate here, and I'm taking my Sephora highlighting brush, my most favorite brush for adding a little bit of shimmer. And this is a beautiful peach tone, and I'm just working it into the fibers of that brush. And we're going to go ahead and see what this looks like. And we're going to put it right over. Oh, it's got a little bit of sparkle to it. The trick to being able to wear this as an aging woman is to really blend it. Don't spread it all around, just blend it, because you'll see it really does pick up a beautiful glow, and all of the glitter that you think is in there turns into just a really polished look. Okay, so that's pretty, and it is a nice color. I think it's more suited for warm skin. So here is the Laura Mercier glow on my hand. It has a yellow undertone. It has no glitter. It is really, really pretty. And then I'll show you the Artiste next to it. This one here has more of a goldy peach undertone. And as you blend it down, it really does become a beautiful glow. So either one of them. This one definitely has more peach to it, and this one here definitely has more yellow to it. And then the Becca highlighter, they did cover all grounds as far as warm skin to cool skin. This one here is definitely more suited for a cool skin, and this is a vanilla quartz. And this one here has a little bit more pink to it than the other two, but all give a very subtle glow without any glitter. Okay? And the Charlotte Tilbury pencil is beautiful, but it does have a little bit of shimmer to it. But it is a really pretty neutral color, but it is, again, like I said, very shimmery, so proceed with caution if you are someone who has a lot of wrinkly, loose skin on your eyelids, because you will probably accentuate those. I want to try the NARS Orgasm now, so I'm going to put that on. Very, very nice. You can feel the oil. Very nice. And it gives just a hint of color. It has a lot of slip to it. Really, no taste. It feels a little different on the lips than the Fenty. The Fenty has more of that balm. This definitely has a slip of oil. Really, really nice. Okay, we are going to move on. Okay, so we're going to do my lashes. I already curled them, and I used the Shiseido Lash Curler. Going in with the Marc Jacobs Lash Primer, and I'm just going to give them a quick coat. I just want to have a light look to the eyelashes. I don't want them build up too much. Kind of make my lashes the star of the show. I'm going to go in with the Monsieur Big mascara. I'm just trying to use up mascaras. And I like the brush on this one. So we're going to go ahead and just give it a nice coating. I have found that most mascaras play really well over the Marc Jacobs Lash Primer. So mascara is on because I am part of the Sephora Beauty Insider program. I accumulate points every time I shop. So this time I was able to pick out the Kerastase Nutritive Nectar Thermique. And this is their Polishing Nourishing Milk Blow Dry Care for dry hair. So it'll give me the opportunity to try this product before buying. And I also picked up with my points a Makeup Forever Artiste Color Pencil. And this is in Wherever Walnut, number 606. I believe I have this in the full size, and that's why I picked it up. For the sampler. I wanted to have one for a makeup bag. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this gloss off. But it felt really, really good. And we're going to go ahead and line our lips. I lined my lips with the Wherever Walnut pencil. I'm going to use the lip gloss that came in the little glow set, Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel, and this is Sephora brand. And the color, it's really small, hang on. The color is Perfect Nude. So we'll go ahead and give it a try. It's a nice color. The doe foot is nice. Very nice. Nice feel. Very nice. Goes well with the Wherever Walnut. There you go. Really a nice mouth. Okay, so I washed my hair with a Briogeo shampoo and conditioner this morning, and I just did a quick blow dry with a round brush, and I used the Dyson blow dryer. And now I'm just going to add a couple of defrizzing. This works for me. This one here is by Moroccan Oil. It's their split end mender. I absolutely love this. I don't go a day without using it. And then you all know that one of my most favorite hair oils is Elixir Ultime by Kerastase. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first take the split end mender and I just massage a little bit into my hands, and then I'm just going to take my ends, and only my ends, because that's where my split ends are, and I'm going to go ahead and just massage this through. And you'll see it really just smooths out the ends. And then I'm just going to take a small pump, not even a full pump, of this, because I want to just run this on the upper part just to add a little bit of shine to the hair. I feel it's important when you're wearing your hair straight. There you have it, just a fresh summer look. This is a great lip color. I absolutely love it. And this Fenty bronzer is beautiful for a bronze and also just for contouring the eyelid. And it's a perfect color. And again, this color here is Shady Biz. Really nice. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me first impression. I really do like the Orgasm lip oil, and I will say that the Fenty lip balm, the Pro Kisser, is really, really nice. I love things like this. These are great for the beach bag. I think this is a really great way to try a lot of products because... All right, my friends, so everything will be listed and linked below for you. I will also put the link for the Sephora Beauty Insider program below. All right, friends, don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all the videos that I am putting up. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.